Hey, I'm Ben.
And I'm Jane.
Today we're talking about how to talk about problems at work.
Calmly, without panic, without drama.
Before we start, relax.
Just listen first.
Borrow any lines you like.
You don't need to remember everything. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk about a work problem calmly.
Even if there's a deadline issue.
You'll sound clear
Professional.
and confident,
We'll do a gentle repeat after us later.
and a slow word tour at the end.
Chapter A, the common problem. Okay, let's set the scene.
You're at work.
Maybe it's mid-morning.
Your coffee is already cold,
You open your laptop.
and your stomach drops a little.
The deadline is closer than you thought.
Or the task is bigger than you expected.
Or something just isn't working.
You scroll
You reread the instructions.
again,
Still confused.
and then you think, I need to talk to my manager.
And immediately, stress.
Your heart speeds up.
Your head fills with questions.
What if I sound stupid?
What if they think I'm bad at my job?
What if I waited too long?
And now you're not just worried about the problem.
You're worried about the conversation.
I've been there.
Me too.
I once avoided talking to my manager for days.
Oh no.
I thought, I'll fix it first.
Let me guess.
I didn't fix it. The problem got bigger.
And the conversation got scarier.
Exactly.
I had a similar moment.
Yeah?
I was behind on a task. Not a lot, but enough to worry.
That quiet stress.
I smiled in meetings,
Pretended everything was fine.
and inside I was panicking
Talking about work problems feels risky,
because it feels personal.
even when it's not.
And many people think they need perfect English for this.
You don't.
You need calm English.
Chapter B, the fixes. First tool,
Start with context.
not panic.
Instead of jumping straight into the problem,
You set the scene calmly.
like this.
I wanted to check in about the deadline.
Or, I wanted to talk briefly about this task.
Mini scene.
You walk up to your manager.
You say, hey, do you have a minute?
Then, I wanted to check in about the timeline.
Calm opening.
No drama.
Tool 2, name the issue simply.
Not emotionally.
You don't say everything is going wrong.
You say what's actually happening.
Examples.
I'm running into some issues with this part.
This task is taking longer than I expected.
I'm not fully clear on this section.
Mini moment.
Your manager listens.
You stay calm.
You're describing, not apologizing.
Tool 3, take responsibility without blame.
This one is important.
Very.
You take responsibility.
Without blaming yourself.
Listen to this difference. Not, I messed everything up.
But I realized I underestimated the time.
Or, I see now that this needs more work.
Mini scene.
You say, I wanted to slag this early.
That sounds professional. Tool 4, ask for help clearly,
Tool 4. Ask for help directly.
not indirectly.
Many people hint.
Managers don't always catch hints.
Clear is kind.
Examples. Could you help me prioritize this?
Can we adjust the deadline?
Would it help if I focused on this part first?
Mini moment. You pause.
You let them respond.
Last tool. And with the next step.
So the conversation feels complete.
Examples. I'll update you tomorrow.
I'll make the changes and check back.
Mini scene. Your manager nods.
You leave feeling lighter.
Chapter C. Extended roleplay.
Let's put it all together.
Full scene.
I'm the manager.
Okay, deep breath.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, do you have a minute?
Sure.
I wanted to check in about the deadline for the report.
Okay.
I'm running into some issues with the last section.
What kind of issues?
It's taking longer than I expected, and I want to make sure I'm focusing on the right parts.
Got it.
Could you help me prioritize what's most important?
Yeah, let's look at it together.
That would really help. I'll update you later today.
And scene.
Notice,
Calm.
clear,
No panic words. Okay, gentle practice time.
no pressure.
You can repeat or just listen.
I wanted to check in about this task.
I wanted to check in about the timeline.
I'm running into some issues.
I'm having a bit of trouble with this part.
It's taking longer than I expected.
This is taking a bit more time than I thought.
I wanted to flag this early.
I thought it was better to mention this now.
Could you help me prioritize?
Could you help me decide what to focus on?
Can we adjust the deadline?
Would it be possible to move the deadline?
I'll update you later today.
I'll follow up once I've made progress.
Take a breath. That's already a lot.
Word tour.
Let's slow down.
Word tour time.
Check in.
Meaning talk briefly to share an update.
Example. I wanted to check in about the project.
Run into issues.
Meaning have problems unexpectedly.
Example, I'm running into some issues with this task.
Timeline. Meaning the planned schedule.
Example, can we review the timeline?
Flag this early. Meaning mention a problem before it gets worse.
Example, I wanted to flag this early.
Prioritize. Meaning decide what's most important.
Example, can you help me prioritize?
Adjust the deadline. Meaning change the due date.
Example, can we adjust the deadline?
Follow up. Meaning contact again later.
Example, I'll follow up tomorrow.
Focus on. Meaning give attention to something specific.
Example, I'll focus on this section first.
Here's the full toolkit.
First, start with context.
Second, name the issue simply.
Third, take responsibility without blame.
Fourth, ask for help clearly.
Fifth, end with a next step.
Calm tone matters more than perfect words.
Confidence beats perfection.
This week, try one calm work conversation.
Even a small one.
If you want, comment one line you'd like to use at work.
Closing. That's it for today.
Talking about problems doesn't make you weak.
It makes you professional.
Thanks for listening.
Like or subscribe if this helped.
And we'll see you next episode.
Bye.
Bye.